Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Motors. Our analyst maintains a buy on Tata Motors with a price target of Rs 840 on expectation of continued improvement in JLR, PV and CV business and further reduction in net automotive debt. In December 23, the company has reported 4.7% year-on-year and 5% month-on-month increase in volumes in domestic business and shared a positive outlook for near term. Tata Motors has established itself in EV space and is now trying to gain expertise on hydrogen fuel technology. JLR is expected to perform better in second half of FY24 as compared to first half of FY24. Stock trades at EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.1 times its FY26 estimates. Next, we have an update on GAIL India. Our analyst maintains buy on GAIL with a revised price target of Rs 190. An increase in price target reflects the rollover of valuation multiple to FY26 earnings estimates. GAIL's gas transmission business is likely to benefit from strong volumes aided by rising gas supplies plus soft LNG prices, and petchem business would witness a turnaround supported by higher plant utilization as well as gradual improvement in HDPE prices. With strong growth for the core gas transmission business, we expect its share in EBITDA to increase going forward, and the same would improve earnings quality. Overall, we expect GAIL's EBITDA and PAT to clock robust 32% and 28% CAGR respectively over FY23 to FY26, which is one of the best among earnings growth among oil and gas PSUs, along with marked improvement in its ROE to 15.8% in FY26 versus 9.5% in FY23. Valuation seems reasonable at 7.5 times FY26 EV by EBITDA, and the stock offers a healthy dividend yield of 3 to 4%. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.